This is the big fish clean. We're going to have a fish fry. John, Randy, Kenny. All the seagulls on the neighbor's dock. My hat. Sandy,
What?
it doesn't look as good on you as it does me.
Rand, does this look good on me?
Sandy getting her summer tan with her hat on.
Okay, no, that's enough. You're worse than Kenny with that thing, you know what? Turn it off. You forgot to put the VCR in anyway. It's right there on the table.
No, it ain't. I wonder why that doesn't shut off.
Baby,